Fin'Amors I shall rejoice, as long as it is hot or cold. I shall always be to her behold, but I cannot yet know the choice, whether I can remain in joy, or if she will keep me as her own, she whom my heart desires alone. Lords and ladies I would forsake, if it pleased her that I should serve her, and whoever told me to swerve would make me die for her sake. For no other is my hope, night or day, morning or evening, nor does my heart think of any other thing. Not so soon would I have desired her, if I knew how hard she would soften. Nothing ever existed that did not soften toward love, but she is fierce toward him. And a lady cannot be worth anything through riches or through power, if the joy of love does not breathe upon her. Never for 2 steps would I part from her, if it pleased her or she allowed it. And at least ask me this much, that I might say she was my lady, and let the rest be at her pleasure, be it lie or truth. For with her single word she would enrich me. Between joy and anger I remain, whenever I part from her. For never since I saw her did she say that if I loved her she would love me. I know nothing of her will, but my lady can well know that I will die if she draws away from me. No gentler lady in the world is seen, fair and whiter than ermine, fresher than rose or lily. Nothing else makes me despair. God, will I ever see the hour when I can lie close to her? I will not, for she does not turn toward me. All my desire would be fulfilled if my lady would grant me just one kiss, though my neighbor were at war with me. And I would be generous and giving, and would make myself loved and feared, and make my enemies fall low, and hold what is mine and defend it well. And my lady can well know that no man of my power will serve her with a better heart. much pleasure that she let me lie close beside her. I would never die of this illness.